Hello, and welcome to this HelloID Service Automation product release video for September 2021. HelloID Service Automation is a user management self-service solution designed to delegate user management into the organization. For example, delegate group management, delegate distribution group management, delegate share management. It will help ICT departments to prevent accumulation of licenses and access rights. Please note that in this video, we will only show the new functionality for the September 2021 release. Please go to docs.helloid.com or our YouTube channel for more videos. Let's get started. In this video, we'd like to start with a PowerPoint presentation and then demo the new functionalities for the September 2021 release. We have 4 new features in this release. The first new feature is Run PowerShell Data Source in the Cloud. With this new feature, you can run your PowerShell data source script on the new Service Automation Cloud Agent. You can still choose to run your PowerShell data source script on your local Service Automation Agent. Both options are available. The second new feature is Use Cloud Agent for Delegated Form integration scripts. Integrated delegated form scripts used to run on your local Service Automation Agent. Now these scripts will automatically be run on the new Service Automation Cloud Agent, which makes it much easier to run your scripts. Our third new feature is Add Service Automation Offline Status to New Incidents on Admin Panel Dashboard. On the rare occasion that the Service Automation Agent is offline, incidents will be added to the new Incident Overview to give the administrators more information about the HelloID environment. Our final new feature is Add Mail Domain Selector for built-in catalog send mail tasks. In combination with the introduction of enhanced security by mail domain verification, this new feature allows you to only select verified mail domains as mail suffix when sending an email. The person who receives the email knows for sure that the mail domain has been verified and is more likely to trust the email. We will now demonstrate these new features. Let's start with a new feature called Run PowerShell Data Source in Cloud. We've created a new dynamic form called Demo PowerShell Data Source. We have also added a grid, and we will edit this grid to add a PowerShell data source. We'll generate the name. We do not use any data source inputs for this demo, so we'll continue to the next screen. In this screen, we'll use the PowerShell script that's been prepared for this demo, which will use the HelloID API to receive all configured delegated forms, and it will also generate a log message that contains the server name of the server that executed the PowerShell script, and then we can see if it was the cloud agent or your local agent. Here on the right side, you can see the new feature. It's a toggle, which you can enable Run on Cloud Agent or disable it, and then it will be run on your local agent. First, we'll use the cloud agent and execute the PowerShell script. Then navigate to Received Logs and see that the executed server is HelloID Cloud Service, and the name it found 33 forms, and this data also looks good. When we deselect the Run on Cloud Agent feature, it will be run on the local agent. And if we execute it again, you will see that the agent is now your local server. It gives the same results, and the data also looks the same, so using this option, you can choose if you want to run the PowerShell script on the cloud agent or on your local agent. We will now continue to our second new feature called Use Cloud Agent with Delegated Form Integration Scripts. We'll navigate to Delegation, Delegated Forms, and select Import External Template. For demo purposes, we will just select the first one to import. Here you will see the PowerShell script that, in the old situation, will be executed by your local Service Automation Agent. With this new feature, the PowerShell script will be executed by the Cloud Agent. For demo purposes, we will not execute this script, but a simple script that will return the server name that actually executed this PowerShell script. When we press Execute, you will see the HelloID Cloud Agent service did execute this script. There is nothing else you need to configure. All these scripts will always be executed by the HelloID Cloud Agent. Let's navigate to the HelloID Admin Panel dashboard to demonstrate the third new feature, Add Service Automation Agent Offline Status to Incidents. As you can see, there are currently no open incidents, but if we navigate to the server and shut down the Service Automation agent and refresh this page, you will see a new open incident. The Service Automation agent has been disconnected. You can see the timestamp, the date, and you can also see the tags, so you now know that it's the Service Automation agent. You can also subscribe to these tags and get specific notifications via email if you'd like to. It's possible to resolve this issue manually, but it will also automatically be closed whenever the agent service is back online. If you click on Details, you can see the unique identifier of this agent. You can see that it's open, the tag, when it was opened, and whenever it's closed, you will see the close date. When you navigate back to your server and start the agent again, you can refresh the page and you will see that there are no open incidents anymore. If you navigate to Closed Incidents, you will see that the issue has been closed. And if you go to the details, you will see when the issue was opened and when it was closed. We'll now navigate to Self-Service, then to Products, and we have created a new product to demonstrate the last new feature called Add Mail Domain Selector for Built-in Catalog Tasks Send Email. Let's click on Add Action and search in the catalog for Send Email Task. Let's add this task to our product. And now you will see the configuration screen for this task. In this configuration screen, we have the new option to use a custom From address. If you enable this option, you are allowed to enter the prefix of the email address, but you have to select a valid, verified mail domain out of this list. As a default, HelloID.com will be available in this list, and if you have verified additional domains for your HelloID environment, these mail domains will be available in the drop-down list as well. You can also use HelloID Intel license, so you can choose for Manager, Contact Mail, and then the mail domain drop-down will be removed. If we remove this value, it will return. With this new option, you can now choose to have a custom From address, but only with a verified mail domain, or you can use the default From address. Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know if you have any additional questions. You can post your question in YouTube or send it to isupport@toolsforever.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive frequent updates about improvements and changes in HelloID. Have a wonderful day.